Our friends at MG8 Entertainment paid for this video.
Arrgh! I'll get the map down with my trusty cannon!
Good thinking, baby pirate. Fire away!
Try again, baby pirate. Fire!
We missed again.
I can get the map with this here life preserver. Whoa, check it out! The sail is a mold. Here you go, cowboy. Whoa, look! It's a life preserver.
Thanks, Blippi. I can use this to get the map down.
I never miss.
I missed.
Uh-oh. Our friends at MG8 Entertainment paid for this video.